In this video, we will learn how to use simple invoice template in Excel sheet. So let's start. Just click on the File tab. You get here option the More Templates. There are so many templates available in Excel. There are so many categories also available: business related templates, personal, planner, trackers, list, budget, charts, and calendars. So click on the Business tab to create the invoice. Just click on the Simple Invoice. Click on the Create. Here you can see this is a simple invoice you can create for your new business or your own business. This is a company name with the logo of the company. You can edit this name. Okay. Then you can enter here invoice number, invoice date, job. Okay. Here the bill to address, phone number, name, address, phone number, email ID. Okay. Here you can name the items, numbers, and description, quantities, unit price, discount also mentioned here, and price. Invoice subtotal, tax rate, percentage of tax, sales tax. You can see here the in formula bar, the formula also here used for the tax. Here you can change the percentage. If I mention here the 10%, you can see here the sales tax is changed. Then deposit received and total due. Okay. Here you can mention your email ID and name of the company, and any is the specific number of you want to mention here, you can mention here. This is a simple way you can create the invoice for your business. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.